This is 2 Minute Toots, where we show you a digital fashion tip in 2 minutes or less.
I'm teaching another fashion flat sketching with Illustrator class this weekend, and one of the things that we talk about is how to create a design worksheet. So you might be asking, well, what is a design worksheet and how is it different from a tech pack? Well, keep watching to find out.
A quick design worksheet is basically the beginnings of a tech pack. It contains the basic information you put in a tech pack, but it's not quite as detailed. There's no BOM, no separate measurements page, no stitching page, no inside views. It's a one-pager that points out the major details to give a general overview of the design. Usually, you'll still have your header information, designer, date, style number, as well as fabric information, perhaps sample size, or an old style to base your new design on. Of course, you'd have a front and back sketch, and then you might point out basic things that a sample maker must know, like key details, measurements that are non-negotiable, fit, hem sizes. You may even indicate colors, although usually, if you're using a design worksheet like this for a sample, you're probably using available fabric and available or very basic colors.
Now, if you pass this worksheet to a sample maker, they are going to have more questions, but it will give a general idea of what you're looking for. We would use worksheets like this for our vendor assist programs, in which the vendor would use just a sketch and some general details to create our first sample. Now, this was definitely quicker for us because we didn't have to create a full tech pack. However, if the vendor is new or they're not as familiar with your design aesthetic, that first proto could be a little sketchy. So make sure that you are careful about when you decide to use a worksheet like this, particularly if you are a new brand or a small brand and you don't have a lot of money to spend. That's this week's 2-minute quick tip. Thanks for watching. Have a fantastic day, and I'll see you next time.